Hello students, so welcome again. Here I am again with another problem on diagonal scale, and this time the problem will be like this. If you read the problem, on a map the distance between two points is 14 centimeter. The actual distance between the points is 20 kilometers. Okay, 14 centimeter will be the drawing length and actual length will be 20 kilometers. We have to draw a diagonal scale to read this map in kilometers and hectometers. Okay, and the scale should be long enough to measure up to 25 kilometers. And then after that we have to show a distance of 17.6 kilometer on it. So if you look at this problem, again we are going to find the RF initially. As you know that RF will be equals to length of the object on the drawing upon actual length of the object. So I am using the same formula. So RF for this scale will be 14 centimeter divided by 20 meter. If we convert this 20 kilometers, sorry, this is 20 kilometer. So if we convert this 20 kilometer into centimeter, that is 20 into 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Centimeter will cancel out. So finally we get the RF, that is 7 upon 10 to the power 6. Now after that we will find out the length of a scale. That formula will be, again you know that length of a scale will be RF into maximum length to be measured, and so that will be 7 upon 10 to the power 6 into 25 kilometer. So that comes almost 17.5 centimeter. So what I am going to do, I will start with a line 17.5 centimeter length, and then we will begin to draw the diagonal scale. Okay. So after getting the length of a scale, that is 17.5 centimeter, I have drawn this line, that is 17.5 centimeter. Now you know that this 17.5 centimeter will be equals to 25 kilometer. That is the actual length of the line. So in this problem, as we want to go up to kilometer and hectometer, so initially from 25 I have to go up to 5. If you see that 25 kilometer will be only divided by 5. So if I divide this line into 5 parts, then one part will be equals to 5 kilometer. So that is the first step. As you know that we will divide the main line into number of parts. So that is 5 parts. For that I am using again the same geometrical construction method. So I have drawn this inclined line, and on this inclined line I have taken one distance in the divider, any distance which is suitable for this particular problem, and I have marked 5 equal markings on this line. This already I have done, but I am showing you how I have marked these lines. After that, use the roller scale, join this last point with this one, the last point, fifth point with the last point, and after that draw lines parallel to this line from all these 4 points. If you draw all these points, this line will be divided into 5 equal parts. Now if you remember, our first part will be 0, so this will be 0, then as this is 25, so this will be 5, this is 10, this is 15, and this is 20 kilometer. So the main unit for this scale will be actually 5 kilometer. That is not mentioned in the problem, but if you understand 25 kilometer, we want to go for a diagonal scale. So initially we will get a unit of 5 kilometer. This last one is also 5 kilometer. After that I am going to divide this first part into subdivision, and the subdivision can be, again I will divide this into 5 parts. Okay, so as discussed, now we will divide this first part into 5 parts. So again taking the same geometrical method, this time again I have drawn an inclined line, this time taking angle about 75-80, and again with the help of divider I have marked 5 equal markings, as I have to divide this 5 kilometer into 5 parts so that I can get 1 kilometer part. After marking this, join this last one with 0, and again draw lines parallel to this line from all these points. You will see that the upper line will be divided into 5 equal parts, and that one part will be 1 kilometer. Okay, so after getting this 1 kilometer part, as you know that in diagonal scale we can go upside, because 1 kilometer equals to 10 hectometer. So I will move upside. So on this corner, extreme left corner, I have drawn a perpendicular line, and as discussed earlier, I am going to pick a distance of 5 millimeter in the divider or maybe compass, better divider, you can use divider, and mark 5 mm 10 times. Important is not the value, important that all the parts should be same. So I will mark the 10 points. After that I have completed this big rectangle of this height, that is 5 centimeter, and this length, and from the main divisions I have drawn the vertical line. Still if you see that this will be like a plane scale, because still we can measure from this scale kilometer, 5 kilometer and 1 kilometer. Now I am going for the diagonal part. As you know that we have divided the first part into 5 parts. So what I am going to do, I will join this first part of the lower side with the extreme corner like this. I will draw this line, and after that from all these points 1, 2, 3 and 4 including the point 0, I will draw lines parallel to this line with the help of roller scale like this. And this is the concept of diagonal scale. As you already know that now the diagonal will be started to generate. So I will draw these 5 lines which are inclined to the horizontal line, and you can say that is parallel to this corner line. So complete this one and then we will move further. Okay students, so as already discussed, I have marked these 10 parts. So the first part will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will be 5 and upper side will be 10. The unit should be hectometer, but this distance is not the hectometer. Hectometer will be generated in between. So this is the diagonal part. After that what I have done, from all these vertical points I have drawn line parallel to the baseline. So the scale will be look like this, and this is the diagonal part. If you look at this triangle, in this triangle this one length will be equals to 1 kilometer, and if you go for the next part, that is 0.9 kilometer, and this small part will be 0.1 kilometer, that is 1 hectometer. So in this way already you know that in this diagonal part we will get the hectometer. So all these inclined lines are tilted towards the left. So whenever we go upside on these lines, 1 hectometer will be added. If I go 1 part up, 1 hectometer, 2 part up, 2 hectometer, then 3 hectometer. So this is the way to complete. Earlier also you have drawn this scale. In center write the RF, that is 7 upon 10 to the power 6. So almost scale will be complete. Okay, now we want to show a distance of 17.6 kilometer on this scale. 17.6, look at this. From 0 to 15 will be 15. Then if I go towards the left side, then this is 1, this is 2. So 15 plus 2, 17. If I go upside on this one part, then that is 17.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if I go on the 6th part and come parallel on this 15th line, 15 kilometer line, so the distance between these 2 points, if I name these 2 points, suppose A, B, then this distance between these 2 points A, B will be 17.6 kilometer. So in this way, from this scale you can measure a distance from 1 hectometer to maximum up to 25 kilometer. I hope you understand the scale. Again, try to draw this scale neatly in a sketchbook or drawing sheet. Thank you very much.